Hi, I'm Jussi Enkovaara and I work as a training manager at CSC, the Finnish IT Center for Science. This is now the night time. We are organizing this summer school here in Nuuksio, and it's also night time for me being part of the organization. I think this is one of the summer highlights for most of the CSC staff here, and we are really happy to teach various concepts of high-performance computing to people here. The content of the summer school has been varied a bit over the years. We try to take into account some topical content in high-performance computing, but the core concept, which is the basic skills in parallel programming, has remained quite the same throughout the years. However, every year we try to improve the content based on the feedback and experience from previous years. So far, the best part in this year has been, as quite many times before, to work with students who are really eager to learn parallel programming and high-performance computing in general. They've been very active, asking lots of questions, and also as an example about how they're behaving here, yesterday we had an optional exercise session from 6 to 8 p.m. in the evening, and I think we had pretty much everybody very heavily involved in programming, and when it was time to go to saunas, we really had to kick them out from the class. I would recommend this summer school for everybody who is interested in high-performance computing and needs to either write parallel programs in the scientific work or at least understand how parallel programs work.